Welcome back to Ride and Drive Motors, your favorite destination for everything on two wheels and four. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycles that laugh in the face of breakdowns. These aren't your fragile Italian stallions or temperamental British bikes. Oh no, these are the workhorses, the iron horses, the bikes that just refuse to die. We're talking about Japanese engineering at its finest. These bikes are built to last longer than a Kardashian marriage, with engines that could probably power a small country. No breakdowns, no costly repairs, just rock-solid performance year after year. These are the top 8 most reliable Japanese motorcycles that never break down. So buckle your helmet, rev your engine, and let's ride. Kicking off our list is the Yamaha V-Star 250, a machine that's as happy cruising down the boulevard as it is nipping through city traffic. This little thing is a masterpiece of simplicity. It's like a Swiss watch, only instead of gears and springs, it's got pistons and spark plugs. The V-Star 250 is about as low maintenance as a motorcycle gets. It sips fuel like a camel in the desert and just keeps on chugging along. This is the perfect bike for new riders or seasoned veterans who want a no-fuss ride. It's about effortless cruising, a smooth ride, and that unshakable feeling of knowing that when you turn the key, this bike is going to start every single time. With its classic cruiser styling, it wouldn't look out of place parked outside a roadside diner in the American heartland. The Yamaha V-Star 250 is proof that good things come in small packages. Attention, it's reliable, it's capable, and it's built to last. Alright, enough with this sensible off-road nonsense. Let's talk about something a little more exciting. This, my friends, is the Kawasaki Ninja 250R and its slightly more muscled-up sibling, the Ninja 300. These bikes are the gateway drug to the world of sport bikes, and let me tell you, they're addictive as hell. These bikes might not have the tire-shredding power of their bigger brothers, but what they lack in outright grunt, they more than make up for in fun factor and sheer unadulterated reliability. The Ninja 250R and 300 are powered by a 250cc or 296cc parallel twin engine. These engines are bulletproof. They're light, they're nimble, and they handle like they're on rails. You can throw these bikes into corners with reckless abandon, and they'll just come back begging for more. The Ninja 250R and 300 are incredibly forgiving bikes, making them perfect for beginners. They're the kind of bikes that make you want to take the long way home, just for the sheer joy of carving up some back roads. So, if you're looking for a fun, affordable, and ridiculously reliable sport bike, then look no further than the Kawasaki Ninja 250R or 300. Now, for those of you who like your motorcycles with a side of practicality, let me introduce you to the Honda CB500 series. This is the Swiss Army knife of motorcycles. It can do it all. Whether you're looking for a naked bike for commuting, an adventure bike for exploring, or a sport bike for carving up canyons, there's a CB500 for you. We've got the CB500F, the naked version that's as happy navigating city streets as it is tackling a twisty back road. Then there's the CB500X, the adventure-ready sibling with longer suspension travel and a more upright riding position. And finally, we have the CBR500R, the sportiest of the bunch with its full fairing and aggressive riding position. All three bikes share the same 471cc parallel twin engine. It's smooth, it's refined, and it delivers a healthy dose of power and torque throughout the rev range. It's the perfect balance of performance and usability, making the CB500 series ideal for both new and experienced riders. These bikes are a joy to ride, with their responsive handling, comfortable riding positions, and engines that are happy to rev. So if you're looking for a versatile, reliable, and fun motorcycle that won't break the bank, then look no further than the Honda CB500 series. These bikes are proof that you don't have to choose between practicality, performance, and reliability. You can have it all. Right, enough with these civilized motorcycles. It's time to get down and dirty with a bike that's built for one thing and one thing only: conquering the off-road. This is the Yamaha WR250R, a bike that eats dirt for breakfast, mud for lunch, and washes it all down with a gallon of gasoline. It's lighter than a feather, more agile than a squirrel on a caffeine bender, and about as tough as a honey badger in a scrapyard. The WR250R is powered by a 250cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected single-cylinder engine that's been tuned for instant throttle response and plenty of low-end grunt. This bike is all about conquering the unconquerable, and it does it with the kind of reliability that would make a Swiss watchmaker blush. The WR250R is actually surprisingly easy to live with. So whether you're a seasoned off-road racer, a weekend warrior, or just someone who wants a bike that can handle the occasional detour into the unknown, the Yamaha WR250R is a bike that deserves your attention. Alright, let's face it, not all of us are cut out for the hardcore off-road life. Some of us prefer our motorcycles with a side of comfort and practicality. But that doesn't mean we have to settle for some boring, soul-crushing commuter bike. Oh no, because Honda has us covered with the CRF 250L and its slightly more potent sibling, the CRF 300L. These bikes are the epitome of dual sport versatility. They're equally at home commuting to work, exploring fire roads, or tackling the occasional single track. Both the CRF 250L and 300L are powered by a 250cc or 296cc single-cylinder engine. They're about smooth, predictable power delivery, exceptional fuel economy, and the kind of bulletproof reliability that Honda is famous for. These bikes are all about offering a user-friendly experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a complete newbie, they're light, they're nimble, and they're incredibly forgiving, making them perfect for navigating tight trails or weaving through city traffic. So if you're looking for a versatile, affordable, and ridiculously reliable dual sport bike that can handle commuting, exploring, and everything in between, then look no further than the Honda CRF 250L or 300L. These bikes are proof that you can have your cake and eat it too. Right, let's get back to the world of tarmac ripping fun with a bike that's earned legendary status for its combination of performance, style, and bulletproof reliability. This, my friends, is the Suzuki SV650, a motorcycle that's as happy carving up canyons as it is cruising down the boulevard. It's a 645cc, 90-degree V-twin that churns out a healthy dose of torque throughout the rev range. This isn't an engine that's going to scare your grandma, unless she's a bit of a speed demon, that is. But it's not going to leave you wanting either. It's the perfect balance of power, usability, and character, making the SV650 an absolute joy to ride in any situation. The SV650 is one of those rare bikes that just gets it right. It's got the perfect blend of comfort, performance, and style. It's the kind of bike that you can ride all day without feeling like you've been folded in half, and then turn around and carve up your favorite back road without breaking a sweat. So, whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a fun, affordable, and ridiculously reliable all-rounder, or a newbie looking for a bike that will help you develop your skills without scaring you silly, the Suzuki SV650 is a bike that deserves your attention. It's a true modern classic, and a testament to the fact that sometimes, simple is best. And now for the grand finale, the piece de resistance, the motorcycle that needs no introduction, but I'm going to give it one anyway. This, my friends, is the Honda CBR 600RR. A legend in the world of supersport motorcycles. This is the bike that launched 1,000 track days, the machine that's been putting smiles on the faces of adrenaline junkies for decades. The CBR 600RR is a symphony of engineering excellence, a testament to Honda's obsession with performance and precision. Now, some of you might scoff at the idea of a supersport bike being reliable. Aren't these bikes notorious for being high-strung, high-maintenance divas? Well, yes, some of them are. But not the CBR 600RR. This bike is cut from a different cloth. It's built to be ridden hard, ridden often, and ridden for years to come. So, if you're looking for the ultimate combination of performance, handling, and reliability, look no further than the Honda CBR 600RR. It's a bike that will steal your heart, blow your mind, and leave you wanting more, ride after ride after ride. And ring that bell icon for more awesome content on Ride and Drive Motors. Until next time, ride smart, ride safe, and ride something that lasts.